Hello. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your time right now while you are watching this video. In this video, you will see our way of cooking semi-sweet and yummy spaghetti, our children's favorite. So please continue watching this video until the end for detailed and easy to follow procedure with costing. Cost estimate mentioned herein is based on the specific measurement as needed and may vary depending on the prevailing commodity prices in your locality. But please consider that you cannot buy just 3/4 can of condensed milk, 100 grams butter, etc. These are our ingredients: hot dog, ground beef, spaghetti noodles, sweet-style spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce, condensed milk, butter, oyster sauce, soy sauce, canola cooking oil, red onion, bell pepper, garlic. This is how we prepare the ingredients. Boil the water with 1 tablespoon cooking oil and 1 tablespoon salt. Once boiled, put the spaghetti noodles. Keep stirring to avoid the noodle from sticking to each other and cook for 10 minutes. Once tender, drain the water. Wash the noodles with tap water. This time, preheat the oil. Sauté the garlic. For more practical home recipes, please check our cooking playlist here, at Cebucheapsite Home Cooking. Practical home recipe. Add the red onion. If you like urban gardening contents, please check our gardening playlist here, at Cebucheapsite Urban Gardening. Next is the bell pepper. Stir well to mix the ingredients. Thank you for dropping by to our channel. If this is your first time to be here, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video. This time add the ground beef. Stir continuously until well done. After that, add the hot dog and stir well. Put the soy sauce. Put the oyster sauce, and stir thoroughly. Add half a cup of water. Add salt. Cover and allow to reb oil. Stir well and taste. If needed, add more salt, depending on your taste preference. Put the spaghetti sauce, and stir thoroughly. Add the tomato sauce. Add the butter. Put the condensed milk. Add gradually, while stirring continuously. Stir well until the butter will be dissolved. In preparing the sauce, it must be cooked well done, so that the spaghetti will not turn to stale easily. Once the sauce is already cooked well done, change to low heat and add the cooked spaghetti gradually. And mix thoroughly with the sauce. Once all the cooked spaghetti is already added, switch off the stove, and ready to serve. It's all done. Now ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video by giving us a thumbs up, and share this video to your friends, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing, and hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video.